we will be doing lesson 8. Alrighty, so we're going to start here at lesson 8. I'm going to add it in here today. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get your stuff in order, where you got your https play.golang.org. Don't forget about GitHub. Okay, GitHub is where you keep all your repositories. See, like the Go programming language, and here's a few lesson plans in there. But we're going to be doing the function stuff today. Let me explain to you what a function is. So let's say you had a package called main. Okay, and then you wanted to import FMT. Okay, then you said to yourself, I want to start adding something. So you did this thing called function add. Okay, and then you made like A as an int and B as an int. Okay, all right, and then you put this thing at the end that said int, like display it like that, and you said open. Okay, open a program so you can start running something, and then you're going to say return A plus B. Okay, then you close the program. That little step, this little thing here is like a little program all within itself. We close that one. Okay, and then after we do that, we want to open, let's say, function main, func main. All right, and see, notice that function main didn't have any parameters, but function add does. The parameters do exist. So that, all right, and then you want to print. You're going to print the add. Then you're going to go, right, you're going to say like 150. And, oops, doesn't look right. It should look like that. See, it's basically showing that you're closing the function, but you're adding this parameter and then that parameter. And then you close it, and let's see what you get. Oh, sometimes when you're up late at night at like around 11 o'clock at night coding, it will have a problem with the server that you're running this on, but let's just keep pushing it. There we go. 150. See, earlier it wasn't connecting to the Google, but the fact is you have to keep trying. Eventually it'll connect to Google. So you have your 150. So let's explain what we did. We reuse code. Let's say if I was writing pages and pages and pages of programming, and then I just told you, hey man, if you need that letter A, just use it this way. You need letter B, use it that way. You need letter C, do it that way. And I was putting it like a map, so to speak. They call that a map. But you start stressing out and you're trying to figure out like, why do you want to keep rewriting this? So, I mean, I could have kept rewriting like main function and basically write this over and over and over again until eventually, you know, I'm an old man. Or I can just reference it by calling See right there, see the function add, and then I just use the two parameters that were inside of there. That's how you do a function. It saves you code later on. I tried to keep it as simple as possible because I was not trying to confuse, but you simply are just saying that you want to make a small little program, which is this. Got this little program, all it does is make sure that the A is an int, the B is an int, and it's going to return an int. Okay? Once you get it in that format, then it's just a matter of going the distance and making a new function, which is the actual main one. Remember, the main function is what kicks everything off. And then this function main, and then you want to call that add feature, give parameters, see 150, and bam, you're all good to go because you'll run the full program. So that's it for us today. I'm going to go ahead and get to sleep. I figured I'd do one last video before I went to bed. Good night.